The drum charts below and on my channel allow you to practice reading a ton of drum charts as slow as 40 beats a minute to as fast as 240, with different playlists for both swung and straight interpretations. If you're not sure how to use these charts, see the next video in this playlist on how to develop limb independence. When practicing with these play-alongs, use the timestamps in the description to select a starting BPM and let the video gradually speed up 1 BPM per rep. You can find thousands more free play-alongs using the link at the top of each video's description, or by using the drumline playlist in my channel's home tab. For tips on how to practice these play-alongs, see the drumming tips playlist for several hours of free drumming tips from someone who's been playing drums since 1998 and is an award-winning educator who has been teaching since 2003 and has a bachelor's, master's, and PhD in music education. If you have a question on how to improve your playing or teaching, feel free to leave a comment on my videos or in the chat during a drumming live stream. Friendly FYI that videos labeled as members first are for members who want early access to hundreds of videos that are currently scheduled to release daily to the public. Click the join button below if you'd like to become a channel member for early access to all of my content, but know that the best way that you can support me for free is to simply engage with and share my free content with other drummers, educators, or gamers.